Washington, U.S. President Donald Trump on Friday signed the most significant overhaul of the U.S. tax code in 30 years, delivering on a pledge to finish work on the long-standing Republican priority by Christmas. Trump signed the $1.5 trillion measure in the Oval Office shortly before he was scheduled to head to his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida for the holidays. U.S. President Donald Trump signed Republicans' massive $1.5 trillion tax overhaul into law, cementing the biggest legislative victory of his first year in office. British Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson told his Russian counterpart there was abundant evidence of Moscow meddling in foreign elections. Catalonia's secessionist parties have been given new momentum for their struggle for independence from Spain. A Florida policeman was dragged for almost a kilometer clinging to a car door after he tried to search a vehicle and its driver, who was suspected of being under the influence of illicit drugs. The U.S. says it will remember the day it was singled out for attack at the UN General Assembly, threatening to cut off financial aid to countries that voted in favor of the withdrawal of recognition of Jerusalem as Israel's capital. The resigning U.S. Senator, accused of half a dozen allegations of sexual misconduct, gives his final speech about honesty in public discourse. Speaking to the BBC in November, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle revealed details of their upcoming royal wedding and the prince's proposal. U.S. President Donald Trump signed Republicans' massive $1.5 trillion tax overhaul into law, cementing the biggest legislative victory of his first year in office. "It's going to a tremendous thing for the American people," Trump said. "It's going to be fantastic for the economy." He walked through various provisions of the bill, which he touted as a bill for the middle class and a bill for jobs, adding that corporations are literally going wild. The measure is the most significant legislative accomplishment for Trump in his first tumultuous year in office. Passed with only Republican votes, it will affect nearly every household and business in the country. Corporations will see a massive tax cut, while most Americans will see temporary savings of various sizes.